And thankfully, I was privileged to have watched that video where that came from. I mean, a woman who stood up in church and supposedly was giving a testimony of how she went through challenges and now has graduated from an open university or so. And the man of God sitting in that congregation himself sensed that there was something wrong with the supposed testimony. And what he said is also something that is complementary of the legal profession in a way. Because he said the way the person who was testifying spoke, the English that she spoke, bad as the situation may be, was not reflective of an English spoken by a lawyer. And that was how he now posed the question. And himself also acting like a lawyer that has mastered the skills of cross-examination, and asked her to describe, because he said, okay, if you read medicine, it should be MBBS. Now that you have graduated and you have a law degree, what is it called? The person said, B.Sc. So, should we be answering the question whether there is B.Sc in law? I don't think so. It is not the Council of Legal Education that said so. It is not the body of benchers that call lawyers to the bar that says we have B.Sc. It is not NBA that said so. The person who attempted to arrogate B.Sc law to herself was found to have lied. Should we really be wasting time talking about someone who has lied? And of course, everyone knows that that is not the way to describe. The degree in law is never described like that. It is not B.Sc. And if you want to have one so that you can appreciate what it is really, and I'm sure the sales of JAM form has started. Get one JAM form, get admitted. At the end of that training, 4 or 5 years training, you know exactly what degree is awarded when you study law. But it's certainly not B.Sc law. And the person who said it was found to have lied. We shouldn't be wasting our time selves discussing. That is not the way to press forward. We press forward towards things that are true, and getting it right means that we should stop lying and press forward towards something that is going to be beneficial to us. Discussing on social media a lie, an obvious lie, will not take us anywhere. It's like putting your hands on the plow and looking back. We will not make progress.